Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I make my bean tomato soup. This is one of my favorite ways to make it. I make this often in the fall, like between October and December. This is my go-to. It's like such a comforting, delicious, warms your soul in your belly kind of food. So I absolutely love it. Now I do use red pepper flakes for this. So if you are not a spicy person, please feel free to either minimize the pepper flakes or just totally leave them out. But for me, like the spiciness of the tomato soup with the beans is just absolutely delicious. I also want to say that I use pinwheels for the pasta just because that's what I had on hand, but you can feel free to use whatever pasta you'd like. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, this is like comforting food for me. I make this often. My son does eat it. I always just leave a little bit out before I put in the red pepper flakes because obviously he's an itty bitty guy, so he can't do spice. But yeah, he loves it, so I'm excited to share it with you. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as my family and I do, and I can't wait to share it with you.
Occasionally, I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Before I knew it, I was hurt by some stupid thing I overheard. I never built